Yes, let's try to solve one sum and see. Then only we can be thorough with the formulas, right? Practice at 7.2. The sums given is that the radii of, when we use a radii, when we have a two radius of two circular ends of a frustum shape bucket. Can you imagine the bucket is in which shape? Yes, let's try to draw the bucket here. See this manner. I'm drawing a bucket. Okay, where we can say the bucket is in which shape here? It's in a frustum shape, right? Yes. So here are 14 centimeter and 7 centimeter. Which can be 14 centimeter radius? Definitely this one, because this is the biggest radius, and this is a 7 centimeter, right? And height of the bucket is 30. So I'm drawing a height here. Height is how much they have given? 30 centimeter. How many liters of water it can hold? See, whenever we are talking about the capacity, that means definitely it is a volume here. Yes. So this is the how many liters of water it can hold, they are asking. So we are going to find the volume of a frustum. Let's recollect the formula. What is the volume of the cone? First of all, 1 upon 3 pi r square h, right? So similarly here also we are going to write it what? 1 upon 3, okay, pi h, we will write it initially r1 the square plus r2 the square plus r1 into r2. I know once we will be very used to writing, it becomes very thorough for you all. Let's see to it. Firstly, write it the radius of, what is this? The frustum. Okay, that is, we are going to name it first one r1. We will always have a r1 as a biggest one. That would be very easy for us to do. So r1 we will take it as a this one, r1 as a 14 centimeter, and again the radius of the another frustum, sorry, not another, the another radius is r2. How much we getting? We are having a 7 centimeter right here. Now what we have to find out here, how much it can hold volume. So, and the height is given what? The height of the frustum is, height of frustum is given as a 30 centimeter, right? Yes. Now we will write the formula. Firstly, volume of a frustum. Okay, so before that we have to say how many liters of water it can hold. So we are going to say, as it is holding, no matter, we can write it 1 upon 3 pi. Before that I'll write it here 1 upon 3 pi r square h. This is a cone formula for the reference here. Okay, so I'm writing here, I need more space. 1 upon 3 pi is pi, and r I need to pull up more, so I will put a h first. R square, how am I going to put it? Tell me. R1 the square plus R2 the square plus R1 into R2. Yes, if you want you can put a multiplication sign also. So I have written this one. Now 1 upon 3 pi we can substitute as a what? 22 upon 7 into h. H is how much given there? We have written already. That is 30. And R1 the square. R1 the square means which one we have taken? 14. 14 square plus R2 the square. 7 square plus 14 into 7. Okay dear. Now here anything cancel? Yes. 3 10s are 30. It gets cancelled. So I have 22 into 10 and the 7 here. Right? Yes. And here 14 square. 14 square is how much it is? 196. 7 square is 49 plus 14 sevens are, it is 98. So again 22 upon 7 into 10. Okay, I have to add all these things. So 6 plus 9 15, 15 plus 8 23. So write 2, 2 9 11, 11 15, 15 9 24. Again 2, 2 plus 1 3. So I got it 343. But the 7 gets divisible by 343. I can cut it by this one. 7 4s are 28 and 63 here. 7 9s are 63. So I got it what? 22 into 10 into 49. Okay dear. If I multiply 22 into 10 into 49, I'll get it that is 10,780. What we have found it? We have found a volume of that is how much the capacity of the bucket it is. Okay, so we can say the capacity of what we are talking about, bucket. Yes, this is a volume, as we know we have to write it in cubic centimeter, right dear? Yes, but they have given a one more hint here, that is you have to convert into a liters also. So 1 liter is how much? It is said 1000 cubic. So you can, what you can do it here, you can divide it. I am doing in a rough column here, 10780 upon 1000. So here what will happen, the 3 zeros, so 1 2 3, so it becomes 10.780 liters. So the capacity of a bucket, again you can write it, that is 10.780 liters. Are you clear? So this is similarly we can solve the remaining sums also. We have solved the first sum. The second sum, you can see it, of the practice set 7.2. The radii of ends of a frustum are 14 centimeter and 6 centimeter. What does this mean? That is the bigger radius of a circle is, that is 14, and the smaller radius is 6 centimeter. That is R1 is 14 and R2 is 6 centimeter respectively. And its height is also given. So all directly given. Okay dear. So we need to find the curved surface area of a frustum. We need to have a L also here, because we have a R and a H. So remember the formula for the L here, L square equals to R1 minus R2 the square. Okay, please you have to remember, we have to subtract it. Yes. And the curved surface area, you can do it because we have learned the formula very easily, so you can do it. And the total surface area of a frustum also you can do it. And a volume, I have shown one example, and they have said here, don't take pi as a 22/7, as a 3.14 you have to take it. Okay dear. So these are the two sums, main sums, and the other one is an activity that we can see later.